our channel here. Today we have a really cool train with these awesome colorful tracks. It has lights, it has sounds, and this guy is really interested. Look how curious he is. He even likes to play with these colorful tracks. And we have Thomas here. Oh, Thomas, you can go away now. Now he's busy with this. Here is the track. He's ready with the track. Can you see the back? Can I see the back? Oh, look. So nothing is wrong with this assembling. This is how it should be. Take it off and put it down. So this is how the assembling will be. It was really hard. We found it really hard to assemble it. And this guy, oh, sorry.
We found it, and I found the last.
Yeah, and this guy needed like 4 batteries.
Yeah.
Look how it looks. It has something at the, you see?
Let's
That's how it works. Okay, and it has lights as well. Look at the lights. If we go ahead and turn it on, look how it looks. So yeah, turn it on. Oh, it needs enough space. Look, this is really fun. And it needed 4 batteries. So it's very strong, really fast. Sometimes it goes back, sometimes it goes forward. You don't have to do anything. Alright, let me go ahead and turn it. Okay, what I'm doing now. This time I'm helping it. Just to show it well. And look, it has a light. It's going backward now. Wow, look how strong it is. It's going upside down even. Look. You saw that? We are now trying how Thomas and Friends toy trains perform on this track. This is really fun. I like the colors of the track. Those are really colorful. Kids are gonna like it. Yeah, we just need to, sometimes we have to turn it on. Okay, go ahead and turn it on.
Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and check other videos.